This is our new layout, a nice rolling hill in Hearns. And let's read the paper. Our new Citizens Savings Bank has just opened in here. Here comes the train. Basketball season's yet to begin. And that's the Hogwarts train. Makes a journey out to Gofland station in the layout. Engineman's nice and friendly, always stops for a chat. My house for the last 3 months. Santa's arrived. Now let's get this train into the layout. Go visit the village people. They want their photos taken. It's snowing once again down here in the village. Santa delivering presents. Group photos of the snowman. Families with Leroy down at the house. Such a beautiful house. Hot cocoa time. It's getting cold. Up at the Opera House. Bit of a toy drive going on up here. This is the village. It's our front size. So we've moved it to the new layout. You can see why. Another panoramic view of I'm standing on the shop here, looking back over the town. The Adams family looking for their Christmas photo. Ever so nice in the falling snow. The pesky raccoons raiding the bin. They've been so popular this year. Now let's see if we can sneak a close-up of them. Catch them in the act while we can. Here they are. Our favourite photo for 2021. The pesky raccoons. Father Time and Santa. Let's get the advent calendar going. It's December 1. Remember, subscribe and hit the like button. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.